and welcome to our next math video, which is going to be on order of operations. So title your page, make sure you write the date, and always underline your title. So when we're looking at order of operations, we are evaluating numerical expressions. That's essentially what we're doing. So our vocabulary, the word evaluate means to find the value of. And a numerical expression is essentially a number problem. And we do not, in expressions, include equal signs. So order of operations, you may have heard it as PEMDAS. Some teachers call that order of operations PEMDAS because it's an easy way to remember what the order of operations are. So in 4th grade and perhaps in 3rd grade as well, you may have followed PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So the reason I write it multiplication and division up and down and addition subtraction up and down is because they're inverse operations, and I want to make sure that we know that we do whichever one comes first from left to right and when we have inverse operations. So the P stands for parentheses. And the E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiplication. The D stands for division. The A stands for addition. And the S stands for subtraction. So when we follow order of operations, we go as like a little checklist through PEMDAS. We do parentheses first. Anything inside the parentheses we do, and we still follow order of operations. So if there's an exponent in the parentheses and addition, subtraction, you would do the exponent first because it comes first in the order of operations. But then, when it comes to multiplication or division, since they're inverse operations, we do whichever one comes first from left to right. First from left to right. And the same thing goes for addition, subtraction. Whenever you get to addition, subtraction, you do the one that comes first from left to right. So this you're probably quite familiar with, but in 5th grade, we like to switch it up a little bit, and we use also brackets and braces. So we put brackets, it's more like boom PEMDAS. So we have brackets and braces off to the side. And brackets and braces look a little bit different than what we're used to, but brackets look like this, like almost like you're trying to close in with a square or rectangle, and braces look very much like parentheses with little knobs in the middle, and those are similar to what braces look like on people's teeth, so that's a good way to remember it. So in order to do this order of operations, we're going to write down some steps. So step 1 would be find the innermost set of groupings Then step 2, follow the groupings, which could be brackets or braces. Brackets comes first, and then finish with order of operations.